Pattern of me is REALME C25s, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this device. First of all, go into settings. Now you need to scroll down and click on passwords and biometrics. Then choose set lock screen password over here, wait 5 seconds and choose continue. Now you can click on use a different password type and pick one of those login methods. I will go with patterns, so I have to click on it. Now enter your login method and following that repeat it. Over here, you can add your fingerprint by choosing add and following the instructions. I will go with cancel though, so now when I click home button, turn off my screen and then turn it back on. As you can see, pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!